Hey everybody, Larry from MarineMax here in Jacksonville, Florida. And today I am on this brand new 2026 Grady-White 281 Coastal Explorer. We're going to go over a lot of features on this boat because it is packed with a lot of luxury and fishing features as well. We're going to start here with the twin 300 horsepower Yamaha full maneuverability package. These engines have integrated digital electric steering, joystick controls. It's a really neat package. It incorporates a built-in autopilot. You can't ask for a better power plant than that. The seating here in the back of the boat is really unique. We've got a removable center cushion here, and then the cushions port and starboard backrest turn in different directions. We can turn them inward and have a lounger that faces each other. We can also step on and off the boat and easily just remove this cushion here by sliding it out. Now when you're at the sandbar, you don't have to step onto your cushions. Another neat feature of this boat, all the fishing equipment that it has. We've got a really nice tournament-sized live well right here in the leaning post, and we've got another one right here in the rear casting deck. Both of these are fully insulated, so on the days when you're just out at the sandbar and you don't need to use your live wells, you've got two fully insulated coolers built into the boat, which is a really nice feature. Freshwater pull-out shower, which is going to be standard on every Grady-White. We've got this really nice power electric shade that will come back all the way to the transom and cover this entire area if you need to get out of the sun. And they don't interfere with your rod holders up in the T-top, which is a really neat design as well. As we move into the cockpit of this boat, you're going to see a swim patio here, which at the sandbar is an absolute delight to have. It's got a dive ladder that stores right here in the gunnel on the port side. And let's lower this door here. It's power down and power up, and it gives you a nice way to get on and off the boat. Kids can jump on and off of it. It's got a dive ladder that gets in there. You stand on it. It's extremely durable. This is awesome. Something that you don't see in a lot of boats. Now we're going to move up to the helm station up here. What we've done on this boat is set it up with a couple Garmin displays, touchscreens, 12-inch displays that integrate your navigation, your sonar, all your engine data. We also have a VHF radio here with a remote handset and a speaker on the dash so you can hear things clearly while you're underway, and a phone charger right here handy at the helm as well. Makes for a really nice helm station. You've got the joystick here for extreme maneuverability at the dock. Stereo, which is standard on the Grady-White as well. Looking at the windshield, you've got a windshield wiper, which is awesome because it also incorporates the freshwater washdown system, so you can use fresh water to wash away that salt spray on the windshield. Moving up forward to the bow, we've got a really nice casting platform underneath these cushions here. This is set up with the Sun Lounge cushions on board already. And you notice you've got backrests here. I'm going to show you something that's very unique to Grady-White. These power backrests. What's nice is that you can adjust the angle so that it is comfortable for you and customize it. Whereas a lot of backrests on these boats are fixed, they're straight up and down and really uncomfortable. Grady-White's done a really nice job by making it extremely comfortable. The Sun Lounger here is awesome. This opens up, you've got a huge coffin box storage area. This is fully insulated. You can use it as a giant fish box, a giant drink cooler. You can use it as dry storage as well. This boat's pre-rigged for a trolling motor on a swivel mount up front. All we need to do is pick the trolling motor of your choice. It's already wired up with a battery charger and set up for 36 volts. If you'd like to sea trial this boat today, give us a call at 904-545-5310 and get out on this 281 Coastal Explorer. You won't regret it.